fan out. A fan out looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So to do a basic fan out, we're going to move our feet. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right, replace, together, left, replace, together. And again, right, replace, together, left, replace, together. And now it's really tempting with something like a fan out to overextend. Boom. If you overextend, you don't know what the man's going to do next. If he pulls you, you've lost your balance, okay? So try not to overextend. So the style of salsa we're doing is a crossbody. That means you're crossing the man's body backwards and forwards. It's also, so the crossbody style means that 99% of the time, if you're going into a fan out, the man is probably doing some form of turning his body out, which means both bodies are front facing, and you're going to be connecting handholds right to left. Okay, so to go into your fan out, you're going to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you want to add in the style features now, you can pop as a very simple style feature. So here we go, we're going to add a simple pop into our fan out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I hope you enjoy these videos. More to come. Comment below.